Weekly Market Outlook June 22nd to June 26th, 2026. Let's begin with the S&P 500 on the daily time frame. The most important thing to watch this week is the behavior around these two daily candles. A daily close above the June 16th level would confirm bullish continuation. A daily close below the June 17th level would confirm further downside. Until the market gives one of these confirmations, I prefer to stay out and do nothing. Now let's move to gold on the daily time frame. The most likely scenario I see is an ABC correction. If we measure a Fibonacci retracement from wave A to wave B, we can see that price was supported exactly around the 1.272 level. However, it failed to make a new high or retest the previous top. That makes the 1.618 level more relevant. The 1.618 target comes near 3,765. I would avoid getting caught in the smaller internal waves in the middle of this move. Instead, I prefer to wait and see whether price reaches that 3,765 area. If it does, I will look for a long setup, with a minimum target near the previous high around $5,600. Now let's move to the US dollar index. As I mentioned last week, every correction in the dollar index is still a buying opportunity. This corrective wave may continue until September. For that reason, I do not plan to take any major short positions on the dollar before this structure is complete. Now let's move to Bitcoin and the crypto market. For crypto, I am mainly watching the Tether dominance chart. As we can see on the daily time frame, momentum is rising from oversold conditions. At the same time, weekly momentum still has room to move higher. For the crypto market, that usually means more downside pressure. If this latest upward leg retraces to the 61.8% Fibonacci level, I will look for a short setup and plan to hold it for up to 2 weeks. The current downside target for Bitcoin is around the $54,000 area. Trade safe, always use a stop loss, and never trade with oversized positions.